Hi, today I'm for the Tecno Spark Go 2022 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why I open the search pool and enter Ampere, this one. So now we should get this application. So tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap the open button. To open the app, click yes, agree, pick close, then tap to OK in the left down corner, and we can see here information about our battery health. So in my case, battery is in a good condition. And also we got here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.